Hello friends, I'm Leena Kapoor, your spiritual mentor and guide. Today I have brought a pick a card reading for all of you for the month of May. So here are the three options. Option number 1 is this beautiful blue bracelet. Option number 2 is this attractive pink bracelet. And option number 3 is this very beautiful black tourmaline bracelet. Now you have to select which bracelet attracts you the most according to your own intuition and gut feeling. So what you have to do is pause this video at this moment and think and try to visualize in your mind which colored bracelet is coming to your mind when your eyes are closed. That will be the best option that you can select for yourself. I have shuffled the cards for each pile, for each group, and I have placed them on the table to cut the time short. So you can pause the video here. So those who have selected this beautiful blue bracelet, let us see how their month of May will be. Ace of Pentacles, interesting. So friends, what I'm feeling is that my month will go very beautifully for you, and if in your business or in your career your salary or your investment was stuck, it will come back manifold. There will be a helping hand who will ensure that your investments are safe and you will get the returns of your investment. Plus, your business and career will go very, very smooth and money flow will be fantastic. If I see in terms of love, relationships and health, May month will be better than the previous months. So friends, the energy of the May month is very good for all of you. Let's see what the angels have to say to you for the month of May. Leap of faith. Wow. Angels are saying that at this point of time, what you need the most is your faith. They want you to boost up your faith in God and divine, because they are seeing that you are somewhat lacking in your belief, or your belief is lesser than your fear. So please remove all the fears from your mind and keep faith in divine and angels. They will definitely help you. They are around you. They have spread their wings of protection around you, and no doubt you are the favorite of them. So they just want to be strong, like you are seeing that the fist of angel is, it is closed. It means they want you to be strong in these testing times and keep up your faith higher. So that was a beautiful message from the angels also. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Okay, so Sai Baba has appeared in your reading and he's saying that the times are testing, no doubt, but learn to trust your intuition, and don't follow anyone's advice blindly. Everything will be all right. He is telling one remedy also to you. And what is that remedy? Please fill some sea salt in a glass bowl and keep at your home. It will remove all kinds of negativity from your home. This was the reading for pile number 1. I hope you have enjoyed this reading. If you have resonated with this reading or you have enjoyed this reading, please do subscribe to my channel, like it and share it with other people also. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Hello pile 2. So let's see how the May month is going to be for you. The moon. Okay. So friends, what I am feeling is that in the month of May, you are going to be very, very emotional. There is no need to be in such high extreme of emotional state, but the cards are saying that you will be in the emotional state, in the tensed state. But what I am seeing is that there is some hidden truth or some hidden thing that is that is in your heart, and it is burdening you. It is giving you the burden. You want to take out that burden from your mind, from your heart, but you are not able to. One such thing is there which has totally exhausted you from inside, and you want to escape from that emotional trauma, but you are not able to escape. Please be friends, be expressive, because if you keep those secret, or if you keep that emotional turmoil within your mind and heart, it will be very, very tiring. It will be very, very tiring, and your energies will be depleted in this pandemic time. It is not good for you at all. So express your feelings to others, in whom you can trust. Express your feelings, your fears, your panic, your anxiety. Take it out from your mind and heart. Don't keep it inside you, otherwise you will feel very, very depressed. So don't do that, my friend. Be expressive and express your fears and panic to the trusted one, to whom you can put trust into. So what is the angel's advice for you? My God, I am saying that be expressive, and angels are saying express. Please express yourself, your creativity. The moon stands for creativity, and you are creative, my friend. You have wonderful hobbies. Why don't you pursue your hobbies in this testing time? The time is testing for everyone. Keep your spirits up and ask for help from the angels and the God, so that you can divert your mind from inner turmoil to inner happiness. So let's see what the universe has to say for you. My friend, all the three cards have some kind of, I can use the word, very tensed energies you have. So Kali Ma has appeared in your reading, and she's saying, don't worry. Times are not so bad for you. You have created the confusion and anxiety and panic in your mind. So leave all the worries aside and focus on your future only. And for your remedy, for this emotional state, there is a remedy on any Wednesday. If you can't go outside because of the lockdown situation in this pandemic, if you can't go, I will not prefer that you go outside. So what you can do is pray to Lord Krishna's picture, in which he is standing with his cow, and ask him to take all your worries away and bless you with a happy state of mind. So this is your remedy, and be happy, my friends. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. God bless you. Thank you. Hello, pile number 3. So those who have selected this black tourmaline bracelet, I am seeing that your focus is on protection, is on building up the immunity. You are doing so much things for your health and all. You want complete safety for yourself and your loved ones. This is the energy that I am getting. So let's see what the May month is in store for you. 10 of Cups. It's a very, very fantabulous card that you have got, pile number 3, because this card is so good that in any area that you are wondering what it is going to be in the May month, that area is going to be just fantastic. Be it your education, be it your career, your business, your relationships, or any kind of any aspect of life that you are pondering upon. How will that aspect of life be going to be in the month of May? You will get very good results in every aspect of your life. Now, let's see what angels have to say to you. Open your heart. You have got Archangel Chamuel, and he is saying that as your heart chakra is totally opened to you and your family, similarly, please open your heart to others also. Help them, because in helping the humanity, you will help yourself only. So open your heart and do some kind acts or acts of humanity towards others also. Don't think only of your own family. Think of the families that are outside also, because you are a part of the bigger community. So Archangel Chamuel is guiding you to open your heart to others also and remove all the barriers of mine and thine, me and you. Remove that barriers. Now let's see what's the message of the universe for you. Okay, so the message of the universe is that God is with you at all times. At all times. It's a beautiful message that God is with you. And don't worry, He is with you at all times. And for the remedy, what you can do is either you can sprinkle some of the dry wheat flour around your home so that the ants can eat it. This remedy is enough for you to have a wonderful May month, because May month is already very, very fine and good for you. So don't worry. So this was a reading for pile number 3. If you have resonated with this reading, please do like, subscribe and share my videos, my channel. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and thank you so much. This is Leena Kapoor, your spiritual mentor, signing off. Have a wonderful month ahead. Thank you, friends.